Hello folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build up your online income to over $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity, folks. So if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Each of them are internet marketers, very successful internet marketers in their own right. So check that first link. Now let's get back to that review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase PLR. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and a PLR license. So you can use this document to increase your sales using PLR. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic to make money online. So you can grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And the third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone on Fiverr for a lower price and deliver that to your buyer. Hence, you become the middleman and you pocket the difference in the process. Bonus number 4 will show you how to create a passive income. And it's not just any ordinary income, it is a recurring passive income. And you can do it with ease. And the 5th bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 per day in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website. And then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review. The vendor of the I Am Site Fortune is Ferry Dawn, and he's an elite vendor on Warrior Plus and has been a vendor and creator since 2014. And he has helped over 3,000 satisfied customers grow their agencies and consulting businesses with high-quality marketing materials. And his products always sell. In a nutshell, this product is going live on Sunday, January 21st, 2024 at 10 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. Now, it creates websites showing marketing expertise, and it does that instantly so that you can build authority and stand out in the internet marketing world. It complements all products in the internet marketing sphere. Here's some things you should know. It covers 6 internet marketing websites, covering all internet marketing categories. It's beautiful in terms of how it's designed, and it's designed with conversions in mind. It's fully customizable, so everything you can edit on the pages easily. So it's there for you to edit. And it's built for WordPress. So if you have a WordPress platform, this is an excellent tool for you. Now there are 5 OTOs. The first OTO covers the 6 internet marketing websites, and the niches are local business consulting, social posting, AR marketing, advertising expert, the GBT expert, and a video marketing expert. It has an unlimited personal license. And you can also get a $9.95 bump over offer for it, and that provides you with 6 short video templates. OTO1 is a 37 upgrade package, and there you receive animated versions of your website, unlimited commercial license, and you can sell those websites to other marketers. OTO2 provides marketing materials for you with 6 promotional videos, 90 social media images, 15 per niche of the 6 websites, and quote video templates. OTO3 for $347 is a web agency Fortune mega pack, and it covers all the previous web agency Fortune products. So there's websites, videos, and social media content for over 70 niches, all videos and social media images. Now there's a downsell as well, but you'll get less product. OTO4 varies from $157 to $297, and it really relates to what you want to access in terms of the club membership. So you get local agency Fortune VIP Club for 6 months, $157. For 1 year, $297. And there you get thousands of values worth of Divi themes, Divi clouds, Divi products to supercharge your web design business. And the final bonus is $397, and it's an exclusive website design. Now, if you need to know more, you can click that second link below and get the full story. Now, you may not get access to this until the day of the launch, so be prepared for that. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below, and you won't be sorry that you did. And on my 5 bonuses, they'll show you how to get a ton of free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr, how to gain reoccurring income, how to earn daily income in 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and they'll show you how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for listening, folks, and make sure you click the link to access the $10,000 a month and this product. Bye for now. See you next time.